grandpa. Look, she is my grandmother Olivia, and he is my grandfather Fred.
Hello, Susan.
Hello, Susan.
What a nice dress.
Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandpa. I'm happy to see you.
This is for you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Come in. Oh, they are here too. Great. Look, he is my daddy's brother, Bill. He is my uncle. She is his wife. She is my aunt, Megan. And he is their son, Tim. He is my cousin.
Hello, Susan.
Happy birthday.
Hello, I'm glad to see you.
This is for you.
Thank you. Come in, please.
Let's drink some tea. The cake is wonderful.